Hello everyone. Good evening. Halo Sis Tita, Bro Joe Brown. Hello Bro Bara. Hello Sis Ika. You guys, welcome back to the class, everyone. Okay, so you guys, Sis Tita, how are you today, Sis Tita? You okay? You good?
Alhamdulillah, I'm bit not very well, but I think it's better than yesterday.
Oh my God, what happened with you? Are you under the weather
Just a
or
bit cold.
cough?
Yes, not cough, cold. Flu.
Oh, cold.
Yes,
Cold.
cold.
Okay, that's.
Yesterday I drink some medicine,
Hmm?
so I fall asleep, and I'm not. I was not joining Zoom.
Oh, sure. That was okay, Sis Tita. Yeah, so God will soon, Sis Tita. Hey,
Thank
just
you,
keep you
Bro.
healthy. Sure. Okay. Well, there. Bro Joe Brown. What's up, bro? Hello, Bro Joe Brown. Are you here? Bro Joe?
Okay,
Yeah, Bro Joe Brown. Are you okay?
hang on.
Pardon me? Hello, bro?
Hello?
Oh,
Yeah?
great. Bro Joe Brown. Yeah, what's up, bro?
Oh, okay. Okay, I thought I was muted. Okay. Okay, I'm good, bro. I'm good.
Ah, sounds great. Okay. Bro Joe Brown, how was your day?
How was my day? Well, it went well. Everything is going well. But again, bro, like nothing special in my life. Like
Mm.
just like keep in touch with people and
Oh.
like doing everything doing everything that I wouldn't have to do. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Well,
Wow.
it went well, but no, actually, it wasn't really well because one of my neighbors just passed away, bro. So
Oh,
I was
yeah?
really thankful.
Oh my
So
God.
one of my
Okay.
neighbors just
Sorry
passed,
to hear
bro.
that.
So
Oh.
some of my friends just being sad, and including me as
Mhm.
well, bro. Well, it was well, but it wasn't very well because yeah, well, everyone just saying like my condolences all the time, bro. Because one of my neighbors just passed, bro.
Yes,
So
that's right. That's true.
and
Okay.
and actually, I was, I went to praying session. I went to
Okay.
praying session,
Mhm.
and I've got, like piece of bread as well
Mhm.
as aqua,
Mhm.
and it was really good.
Oh my God. Okay. That's okay, bro Joe, but this is live, yeah, bro Joe, but that's live, so we need to accept that one. Okay.
Yeah,
That's a live,
no,
guys. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we can just
oh,
pray for
life,
them.
life, live to die, bro. Live to
Yeah.
die.
Oh my God. Okay. Okay, great word. Okay, live to die. Oh my God. Okay.
Live
So,
to die.
okay, that's great, bro Joe. Thank you so much. So, you guys,
Uh-huh.
everyone, let's open and start our class right now while waiting the others. Okay. So we'll invite our friends as well. So good evening. Welcome back to the class again with speaking partner.
We
You
are
are the
The
best
best.
partner. Okay, what's password, guys?
Good
smart.
smile.
Much everyone. That's really great. All right, so guys. Today is Wednesday, and today is gonna be our. This is our 18th meetings, guys. So we still have 2 days left. Tomorrow and also the day after tomorrow on Friday. Oh my God, guys, that's so fast. Okay, so I hope you guys, all of you all guys here, you want to continue to the next level. It must be intermediate two. So you will face and learn new topic. Absolutely. This is about the grammar as well, because in intermediate one and two, we just talk about the grammar, okay? And tips and trick as well. I give you an addition topic about intonation in the whole sentence so we can speak better, sounds really clear and smoothly and clearly as well. And also we do listening, even reading as well, but reading is not much as here in intermediate 1. Okay. And another guys, speaking is average speaking. I'll give you the pronunciation as well over there. So I hope you guys you want to continue to the next one. So I hope you can meet again everyone, yeah? Alright, that's one. Okay, so at least guys, at least you join the class until intermediate 3. Intermediate 3 everyone, at least. But if you feel I'm comfortable with this class and then I need to level up my English. So I want to try to join with advanced class later. That's all right. That's okay. But you must know at least it does only be intermediate 3. Intermediate 3 itu nanti kelasnya reguler ya guys ya. It's not webinar. It's gonna be a little bit pricey, but it's worth it teman-teman. Okay, that's what. The man is after minimal itu intermediate 3 guys ya. But in regular class, karena kelas webinar itu sampai intermediate 2 aja teman-teman. Okay, so you can always improve your English. So that's why guys, sometimes you meet the fluent member, they can speak English fluently. It's just normal because what they just want to keep their English here. They have been journeying speaking Potter since maybe a year, 2 years, I guess, yeah, and they want just keep their English. So the price basic 1 until intermediate 2 it is so worth it teman-teman. Dengan harga segitu bisa punya partner untuk ngobrol terus ya guys ya, practice terus, we can do feedback as well. Kalau di Discord itu kan bagus banget juga guys ya. Di sana pasti teman-teman ketemu yang sudah benar-benar jago banget karena sudah bertahun-tahun di speaking partner ya. Oke, bakal menjadi speakers juga kalau teman-teman pernah ketemu di Discord ya guys ya. Ya, it's just true. Dulu mereka juga sama kayak kita guys. They are learning from zero karena udah lama ya, and they always practice every single day. They can speak English fluently. You can do it. Why not? Okay, so that's why just continue to the next level at least until intermediate 3. Ya guys ya. You want to back again later in basic 1 is all right. That's okay. Or you want to try to join a module like we have foreigner class. Kita tuh punya kelas sama bule juga. If you want to try it, that's good everyone. Or maybe you want to try to join a 100% English class, 100% bahasa Inggris. No bahasa at all. No. Ya guys ya. You can try it everyone. Oh, no, that's really good. Never try, never know. The main point you want to do that and it makes your English better. Okay, that's just for information, everyone. Yeah. So back to the nature here. Today is our topic. This is interesting topic for today, guys. We talk about the culture. This is Ramadan time. Ramadan is one of the big event in Europe as well. Salah satu event ya guys ya yang rame, yang terkenal juga di sana ya guys ya. This one. So we just talk about the culture of English as well. It should be Ramadan. Okay, so we have a reading text today, guys. Okay, but before that, let's have a chit chat topic this time. So you guys, I would like to ask one of you, maybe, what about? Wait a moment. Start from the first dari depan nih guys. Oh, we have this one. Sis Devi. Sis Devi 3. Hello, Sis Devi 3. Sis Devi 3. Hello.
Yeah, bro.
Okay, Devi 3, I have a question for you. Okay, so the first question, yeah. Ramadan is a holy month for Muslim. You know, right? Okay. What happens during Ramadan and what does it mean to millions of Muslims worldwide? Maybe just for you, what does it mean? What does Ramadan means to you, Sis Devi? Apa sih makna Ramadan, Sis Devi? Menurut Sis Devi sendiri nih. According to you?
Apa ya?
Yeah.
Ramadan is
is
Untuk apa, bro? Untuk meningkatkan iman gitu. Apa ya bahasa Inggrisnya?
okay. So you can just say to boost our iman itu juga boleh. Ya
Yes.
guys ya. It's alright. Okay. Sis Devity jangan takut ngomong ya. Kita jawab salah nggak apa-apa. It's never mind. We are still learning here.
Oke,
Okay.
bro.
Jangan malu-malu. Kita jawabnya salah nggak apa-apa, guys. It's okay. Don't worry. Okay. You can just say
Oke, bro.
okay. You can just say it's time for us to boost our faith. Ya guys ya. Untuk meningkatkan iman kita. Oh, that's really good, Sis Devity. Thank you so much, Sis Devity. Good job. Okay. So what about the next one? And I would like to ask Sis Ajeng. Sis Ajeng, where are you? Hello. I think Sis here. Sis Ajeng, what about
Yes.
this? Does majority of people in your area celebrate Ramadan? What do you think?
Yes, of course.
Of course. All
Yes,
right.
because majority in Madinah is Muslim, all right?
That's a Muslim.
Different with
Okay.
Bali.
Oh, different with Bali. Yes, it must be different though. Okay. So what is Ajeng? How do most people welcome Ramadan, especially in your place? How do most people in your place welcome Ramadan?
Okay, what mudik in English?
Yeah, homecoming.
Oh, homecoming. Yeah, a
Yeah.
lot of people homecoming to the hometown.
Ah, oh, really good. Okay, great one. Thank you so much, Sis Ajeng. That's one of the welcome. That's a welcome Ramadan. Untuk welcoming Ramadan, udah mudik dulu ya. All right. Okay, Sis Ajeng. Okay, great, Sis Ajeng. Thank you so much. All right. So, what about the others? Yeah, what happened? Okay. Sis Ajeng,
Sorry,
your
bro,
voice
my
is like a
connection is
breaking
bad.
up. Yeah, all right. That's okay. That's okay. So what about the others,
Yeah,
guys?
my connection was bad.
All right, that's okay. Some, what about, halo Bro Anggoro. Bro Anggoro, good evening. Hello, bro. Oh, maybe Bro Anggoro still has something to do, I think. What about Sis Yani? Hello, Sis Yani. Hello.
Hello, bro.
All right, great. Sis Yani, I have a last question for you. Look at this. Why is Marjan associated to Ramadan? Why? What do you think? Hmm.
Because we always see in the television.
Okay. Oh, sure. That's a great. What about you guys?
Yeah.
Do you like drinking? Just Johnny, for you yourself, do you like drinking marjan in Ramadan? Johnny, do you like drinking
Yeah.
marjan in Ramadan?
Oh my
Um,
God.
Mm-mm.
when I was child, yes, but now I think the taste is different.
The taste is different. Oh my
Yeah,
God.
it's not really delicious.
All right, that's right, everyone. Okay, I think you guys, if you still have a marjan, okay, for Ramadan, I guess yeah, especially for break to fast, iftar. Ooh, it is really good. Okay, so the comments, especially for advertisement, it must be marjan. Pasti nih guys ya, marjan itu pasti ada. Oh, ada ikan marjan nih guys ya. Otomatis bakal deket Ramadan. Just for example, but if you don't know that one actually, that's about Ramadan. Okay, guys, thank you so much, everyone. Just a little bit chit chat topic today, and go on for the next. Guys, I have 7. Oh, we have a lot of stacks today. 1, 2, 3. The first is what is Ramadan? The second is when does it take place? And how do people fast? Gimana sih orang-orang berpuasa itu? And then are all Muslims expected to fast? And then is what happened in sunset di sore hari? Why do people fast? Kenapa orang-orang itu berpuasa? And how is the end of Ramadan celebrated? Di akhir bulan Ramadan ngapain? Okay, so let's try to talk about this. Teman-teman jangan malu ya ketika baca. Come on guys, just raise your hand to read it. Okay. The first is just simple. What is Ramadan? Oh, Sis Ajeng, you wanted the first. Come on, Sis Ajeng. Please read this.
What is Ramadan?
Ramadan is very special time for Muslims all over the world. Observing Ramadan is one of the five pillars of Islam. During Ramadan, all Muslims over the age of about 12, with some exception, are expected to fast between dawn and sunset.
Oh,
Thank
really
you.
great. Thank you so much. Okay, Sis Ajeng. Look at this, everyone. What is Ramadan? Ramadan is a very special time for Muslims. Paling tepat teman-teman bacanya Sis Ajeng, Muslims. Muslim. Jadi
Muslim.
iya, Muslim itu Muslim. Umat Muslim. Muslim is the past, right? Muslims. Jadi S-nya kayak dibaca Z gitu guys. Muslims. Okay. All over the world, observing Ramadan is one of the five pillars of Islam. Ya, pasti guys ya. Ramadan itu menjadi salah satu rukun Islam ya guys ya. Okay. So, during Ramadan, all Muslim over the age of about 12, berarti 12 ke atas, with some exception, dengan beberapa pengecualian, okay, are expected to fast between dawn and sunset. Ya, pasti disarankan, diharapkan, dianjurkan untuk berpuasa mulai dari terbitnya fajar sampai terbenamnya matahari. Alright, this is Ramadan, everyone. Okay, the second one is Bro Bara. You raise your hand. The second, Bro Bara, when does it take place? Bro Bara, come on.
Does it take place? Ramadan is the 9th month of Islamic calendar, which follow the phases of the moon. This means the dates of Ramadan change each year. The month starts when the new crescent moon is visible in the night sky. Fasting ends with the arrival of the next lunar month, which starts with the first glimpse of the new crescent moon.
Oh, really good. Thank you so much, bro. You want to say good one. Okay, that's when does it take place? Kapan nih, guys? Kapan terjadinya bulan Ramadan ini, guys ya? Okay. So, Ramadan is the 9th month. Bro, Bara, teman-teman semua, kalau kita baca bulan itu bacanya month. Month, not month. Lagi moon, month dibaca kayak O gitu guys. Jadi O-nya campur kayak A gitu guys. Month of the Islamic calendar. Ya. Yeah. Which follows the phases of the moon. Nah, ini baru bulan yang ada di langit, moon. Not month, moon. Month, moon. Okay. This means the dates of Ramadan change each year. Makanya dari itu, setiap tahun itu pasti berubah. Tidak tetap ya guys. Enggak tanggal itu terus. The month start when the new crescent moon is first visible in the night sky. Ya, munculnya tanda 1 bulan Ramadan. Fasting ends with the arrival of the next lunar month. Ya, pasti munculnya Syawal. We start with the first glimpse of the new crescent moon. Nah, ini guys. Berarti dimulai dari munculnya 1 Ramadan dan 1 Syawal. Tandanya 1 bulan Ramadan ya guys ya. Atau bulan Hijriah gitu guys ya. Alright. So this is when does it take place. And the third one is how do people fast? How do people fast? It should be Sis Jasmine. Come on, Sis Jasmine. How do people fast? Gimana sih orang-orang itu berpuasa? Let's go.
How do people fast? During Ramadan, the day start early so that
Ya, Mas Sen suruh minta beli itu.
they
Make
fast
ibu.
meal before dawn. This meal called suhoor is important as it will keep them body the day. During daylight hours, fasting Muslim cannot eat food or drink water or any other drinks. In late spring or early summer, this is particularly difficult as the day can be very long. People who live in polar regions where daily can last 22 hours or more can choose to follow the dawn and sunset times in Mecca or a nearby country where the sky is dark at night. Thank
Oh,
you.
great. Thank you so much, Jasmine. Okay, guys. Look at this, everyone. How do people fast? Okay. During, dibaca J nih ya. During Ramadan, nih ketika selama Ramadan itu guys ya. Oke. During Ramadan, the day starts early. Teman mau digabung nih. The day starts early so that people can eat a pre-fast meal before dawn. This meal called suhur. Nah, orang-orang bisa makan nih guys ya. Atau bisa disebut sahur nih guys ya. Suhur in English. Suhur. Or you can say pre-fast meal before dawn is okay. Is important as it will keep them going through. Bacanya through. Kayaknya nggak perlu dibaca ya. Through the day. Through itu artinya adalah melalui. Through gitu guys ya. Jadi ini penting banget ya untuk menjaga kita melewati hari-hari kita kuat gitu. During daylight hours, nah guys ya, ketika di siang hari gitu. Fasting Muslim cannot eat food or drink water or any other drinks. Gak boleh makan, minum. In late springs or early summer, ya guys ya. Nih guys, ketika di akhir musim semi dan awal musim panas, ya guys ya. This is particularly difficult to stay is the day can be very long. Pasti guys ya, kan panas banget nih guys ya. Kayak harinya itu kayak wah lama banget gitu kalau panas itu. People who live in polar regions, bacanya regions, guys ya. Orang-orang yang tinggal di daerah kutub-kutub gitu guys ya. Where daylight can last 22 hours or more. Karena di kutub itu siang hari itu bisa 22 jam lebih ya guys ya. Mostly di sana itu. And it is impossible if they are fasting 22 hours. In this way, they can choose to follow the dawn and sunset times in Mecca or maybe nearby country where the sky is dark at night. Gitu guys. Jadi dia bisa milih ngikutin waktu Mekah boleh atau mungkin negara-negara samping tetangganya yang sudah duluan gitu guys ya. That's one. Negara terdekatnya lah kayak gitu. It is impossible if they are fasting 22 hours ya guys ya. Nanti 2 jam lagi berbuka langsung puasa lagi. No, right. Okay. And the next one is the others is our Muslim expected to fast is Bro Rons. Bro Rons, come on, Bro Rons. Bro Rons, hello. Right. Maybe Bro Rons still has something to do. What about Sis Devi dulu nih? Sis Devi, halo Sis Devi 3.
Ya, bro.
All right, come on, Sis Devi 3. Let's read this. Are all Muslims expected to fast? Yeah.
Okay. Are all Muslims expected to fast? Not all Muslims are expected to fast. Children under the age of 12, people who are traveling, elderly people, pregnant women, and others where it may affect their health are exempt. Who cannot fast for any reason can offer to feed poor people for each day they miss during Ramadan.
Oh, really great. Thank you so much, Sister Fitri. Are all Muslim? Are all, kalau digabungin guys, are all Muslim consonant and vocal, consonant sounds followed by vowel sounds? Are all Muslims suspected to was? Not all Muslim are expected to was. Tidak semua umat Muslim itu guys dianjurkan berpuasa. Siapa aja dia? Children under the age of 12. Anak-anak yang masih di bawah umur 12 tahun atau belum balik gitu guys ya. People who were traveling. Orang-orang yang lagi di perjalanan atau musafir. Elderly people. Orang-orang yang sudah lanjut usia. Pregnant women. Orang-orang atau perempuan ya. Wanita-wanita yang sedang hamil. And others where it may affect their health or exam. Dan juga orang-orang yang lagi sakit gitu misalnya guys ya. Atau ketika dia berpuasa bakal sakit gitu guys ya. Sebenarnya kebawaan sakit gitu guys ya. Those who can't fast for any reason can offer to feed poor people for each day they miss during Ramadan. Mereka itu guys bisa nih mengganti puasanya, oke, or maybe dengan yang nggak mampu ya udah membayar nih guys, membayar fidyah, jadi dia memberikan makanan kepada orang-orang nggak mampu kayak gitu guys ya. Each day they miss during Ramadan. Oke, terhitung berapa dia bolong puasanya gitu guys ya. Tetap harus ditambal, oke. And the next one, what happens on sunset? What happens? Bro Rons? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, come on, Bro Rons. Please read this, Bro Rons. What happens on sunset? Okay.
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 What happens at sunset?
Okay.
People can eat and drink again once the sun has set. The traditional way to break the fast is by eating dates and drinking a glass of water. Then, the evening meal, iftar is a social event that can go on for hours. It is common for people to eat together in large group of family and friends. Special foods are prepared and shared, and desserts are particularly popular. Muslims often include charity in iftar as well, sharing iftar with members of the community who cannot buy or make their own food. Across the Muslim world, mosque and aid organizations set up tents and tables for the public in poorer communities to eat free iftar meals every night of Ramadan.
Wow, so good. Thank you so much, Bro Rons. Okay, guys, look at this one. Okay. What happens at sunset? Boleh digabungin or just ya, what happens at sunset? Ketika matahari terbenam itu ngapain nih di sore hari ya guys ya? People can eat and drink again once the sun has set. Orang-orang bisa untuk makan dan minum lagi nih guys setelah matahari terbenam. The traditional way to break the fast is by eating dates and drinking a glass of water. Nah, tradisinya ketika break the fast itu berbuka puasa. Nah, guys ya. Itu dengan makan kurma dan juga minum segelas air. Then, the evening meal, makan malam atau buka tadi guys ya. Iftar nih atau teman-teman bisa boleh berbuka itu juga bisa dibilang iftar. Is a social event that can go on for hours. Itu adalah sebuah event juga guys ya, kayak acara sosial yang dapat berlangsung selama berjam-jam guys. It is common for people to eat together in large group or family or friends. Atau kita bisa bilangnya ya bukber gitu guys ya. Karena makan bareng-bareng entah sama keluarga, temen gitu guys ya. Grup-grup gitu guys ya. Special foods are prepared and shared. Pastinya nih guys ya. And dessert are particularly popular. Pasti nih guys ya. Es kayak gitu. Sangat populer banget nih. Muslim often include sahuri in iftar as well. Banyak nih umat Muslim itu kayak melakukan sahuri, sedekah gitu guys ya. Ketika bulan puasa banyak banget nih guys ya. Sharing iftar with member of the community who cannot buy or make their own food. Nih sering banget nih guys ya. Jadi saling sedekah, makanya banyak jalan-jalan itu kasih makan-makan ketika berbuka gitu guys ya. Across the Muslim world, mosque, masjid itu bacanya mosque, mosque, gitu ya. Oke, Bruzons, mosque. Kita nggak perlu bilang mosque.
Okay,
No, just say
mosque.
mosque, gitu. Mosque, and 8 organizations set up tents and
Mosque.
table of
Nyamuk ya.
iya mosquito.
Mosquito.
Iya, mosques gitu guys ya, mosques gitu. Ya guys, jadi masjid-masjid dan di organisasi-organisasi lain itu ya menyiapkan tenda-tenda, table, meja for the public in poor communities to eat free iftar meals every night of Ramadan. Ya, yaitu untuk membantu orang-orang yang tidak mampu gitu atau orang miskin gitu guys ya supaya mereka dapat makanan gratis. Oke. Even you guys when you go to the mosque, you will get a free iftar. Pasti teman-teman dapat makan atau buka gratis di sana guys ya. Alright, this one. Okay, in Ramadan time, they're so easy to get iftar whenever you are. And the next one is the others. Why do people fast? Ini alasannya guys. Kenapa sih orang-orang itu berpuasa? Guys, anyone wants to read this guys? Yeah. Anyone? No one? So I would like to choose one of. Okay, Brunoval. Come on, Brunoval. Let him cook. Brunoval, let's go. Why do people fast? Let's go.
Okay, why do people fast? Muslims fast during Ramadan
Muslims, bro.
to bring them closer to God and to remind them of the suffering of people who are less fortunate than themselves. Fasting is an exercise in self-control, as well as not eating, drinking, or smoking. Muslims try to avoid bad action, like talking about people behind their backs or using bad language. Ramadan is a time for people to work on being more patient, more tolerant, and more mindful of the people around them. It is a moment to reflect and work on being better people. Many Muslims also donate money to charities during the month, and a lot of Islamic charities organize food packs for people in poorer countries or refuge camps. Giving donations to charity known as zakat is particularly important during the holy months, and so is prayer, meditation, and reading the Quran.
Wow, great. Thank you so much, Brunoval. That's really good. Why do people fast? Muslim. Brunoval, bacanya Muslims. Okay, that's in English. Ma dibaca A. Muslim fast during Ramadan to bring them closer to God. Berarti mendekatkan diri kepada Tuhan ya, guys ya. Bring them closer to God and to remind them of the suffering of people who are less fortunate than themselves. Dan juga sebagai reminder ya guys ya. Sebagai cara ini guys ya, you can say this one everyone. Cara mengingat juga ya. Oh, ternyata ada banyak juga orang yang tidak mampu seperti kita. Dia menambah kita merasa bersyukur gitu guys ya. Reminding. Fasting is an exercise in self-control. Juga melatih mengontrol hawa nafsu. Exercise in self-control. As well as not eating. Ya guys ya, meskipun nggak makan, nggak minum, or even smoking, Muslim try to avoid bad actions. Menghindari perilaku-perilaku buruk. You know, like talking about people behind their back or using bad language. Gosip gitu guys ya. Oke, ataupun ngomong berkata-kata kotor ya guys ya. Yang menghindari itu ya guys ya. Ramadan is a time for people to work on being more patient. Jadi menambahkan sabar gitu guys ya. Bersabar, mati kesabaran juga. More tolerant, menambah bertoleransi. More mindful of the people around them. Tambah care, peduli dengan sekitar gitu guys ya. It is a moment to reflect and work on being better people. Karena ini latihan exercise menjadi yang lebih baik ya guys ya. Oke, ya meskipun ketika berpuasa siang hari, wah alim semua nih guys ya, bagus-bagus ya guys ya. Ketika udah buka, kita cari teman untuk gosip guys. Oke, that's it everyone ya. Oke, and ya guys ya, oke, don't do that everyone ya. Many Muslims also donate money to charities during the month. Oke, nah banyak orang Muslim juga berdonasi ya guys ya, sedekah-sedekah ketika Ramadan itu guys ya. And a lot of Islamic charities organize food pack for people in poor countries or refugee camps. Banyak nih guys ya, organisasi-organisasi bantu-bantu orang-orang miskin ya guys ya, dan lain sebagainya. Or maybe this one, giving donation to charity down a zakat, bayar zakat ada juga nih guys. It's particularly important during the holiday month and prayer, meditation, and reading the Quran. Ketika bulan Ramadan itu penting banget ya. Jadi berbanyak ibadah, meditation, berarti ya teman-teman ini gitu, ini guys ya, iktikaf di masjid gitu guys, berdiam di masjid ya. And reading the Quran. It is better to say reciting teman-teman daripada reading ya. Reciting itu lebih baik digunakan untuk bilang membaca kalau itu adalah membaca buku-buku yang disucikan, Al-Quran dan sebagainya, kitab-kitab yang lain. Reciting, it is better you say reciting than reading, gitu guys ya. And I forgot to well month Ramadan. Wow, Sis Yanti, that's really good. That's lovely. Okay, I hope it will continue until now, Sis Yanti ya. Okay, Sis Yanti, this is good. Okay, guys, this is our topic. And the last guys is this one. Yang terakhir nih guys. How is the end of Ramadan celebrated? Di akhir Ramadan ngapain? Guys, the last text. Anyone wants to read this? Guys, come on. Raise your hand, everyone. And don't be shy. Alright, so I would like to ask one of you. So it should be Sis Dia Herlina. Halo Sis Dia. Sis Dia Herlina.
Hello, Bro Vic.
Hello, Sis Dia. Come on. Please read it, Sis Dia.
Okay, thank you. How is the end of Ramadan celebrated? At Ul-Fitr marks the end of the month of fasting. There are many Eid traditions, mainly centered around family, food, generosity, and festivities. On Eid al-Fitr, Muslims wake up early and dress in their finest clothes to attend the Eid prayer. After prayers, they wish each other a happy Eid Mubarak in Arabic before spending the rest of the day with their extended families, enjoying good food and sharing gifts with children and loved ones.
Wow, great, Sis Dia. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, look at this. How is the end? Teman-teman, ketika ada the seperti ini dan ketemu kata setelah the itu vokal awalannya suaranya a i u e o dibaca i. The end. Kita nggak boleh bilang the end ya. The end. Oke, Sis Dia. How is the end of Ramadan celebrated? Sebelum ed ada t dibaca it. Celebrated gitu. Eid al-Fitr marks the end of the month. Kalau ini baca the karena setelah the itu ada kata yang awalnya konsonan, tetap dibaca the. The month of fasting. There are many Eid tradition. Banyak tradisi hari raya ya guys ya. Mainly centered around family. Ya pasti yang kebanyakan itu guys ya. Ya paling besar ya teman-teman ke keluarga gitu guys ya. Food. And then is the others like suka memberikan angpau gitu guys ya. Okay, you can say generosity. Okay, generosity. Let's say generosity. Generosity itu kayak teman-teman ngasih uang gitu guys ya. Ya, angpau gitu lah guys bahasa kita. And festivities. Oke, dan juga teman-teman melakukan perayaan yang lain. On Eid al-Fitr, Muslim wake up early and dress in the finest clothes to attend the Eid prayer. Nah, ketika hari Idul Fitri itu guys ya, 1 Syawal itu umat muslim semuanya bangun pagi juga dan memakai pakaian-pakaian terbaiknya guys ya untuk menghadiri sholat Idul Fitri. After prayers, they wish each other a happy Eid or Eid Mubarak in Arabic. Pasti dia selalu mengucapkan selamat hari raya Idul Fitri, mohon maaf lahir dan batin gitu. Before spending the rest of the day with their extended families, enjoying good food and sharing gifts with children and loved ones. Okay, this is in the end of Ramadan. Maybe we have known this is the same like our culture, I guess, yeah. Okay, so I just talking with my neighbor about our friends. Oh, really great, bro, friends. Yeah. Okay, so guys, this is Ramadan and the tradition. So basically the same, I guess, like in our country, even in Europe. Okay, maybe even guys, homecoming, mudik pun juga ada di sana guys ya. That's the same. Okay, same. Cuma THR aja yang beda. Kalau di sana nggak ada THR, kalau kita ada guys ya. Bedanya itu. Okay, so this one everyone ya. Okay, and the next guys, you can talk about this. Before we talk about this, I have a question. Coba teman-teman kita tentukan mana nih yang salah dan benar. Okay, the first. Ramadan happens at the same time every year. Is this true or false?
False.
False.
So false. That's
False.
right. Beda ya guys ya. Okay, semakin maju. Okay. And then is fasting during Ramadan helps people feel closer to God?
True.
Yes.
True.
True.
That's correct. True. Okay. All Muslims must fast during daylight hours. All Muslims.
False.
True or false?
False.
That's
False.
false. Tidak semua
False.
ya guys ya. Ada pengecualian tadi nih. Okay. The fast start and ends ends at the same time of day for everybody.
False.
No.
That's
False.
false. Pasti beda ya guys
False.
ya. Di tempatnya Sis Ajeng sama Sita juga beda waktu bukanya. Okay, that's it. And that is family members often eat large meals together every night.
True.
True, that's a true ya guys ya. Pasti
True.
kebanyakan ya banyak ya, often sering nih guys ya. Orang-orang itu berbuka gitu guys ya, especially family members. Giving money to charity is an important part of Ramadan.
True.
Zakat.
True.
That's a true. All right, everyone. Okay, this is our topic, everyone. Yeah, I think you have known this is like a common tradition is in our country. So when we discuss about this, you can just have a conversation, make it fun, just like sharing your experience when you celebrate Ramadan at the time, guys. Like, what are your favorite Ramadan tradition and activities that you look forward to every year? Yang teman-teman tunggu itu aktivitas apa aja sih guys ketika berRamadan? Okay. And do you have special family dish or recipe that is a must-have during Ramadan? And what make it special? Punya gak nih guys makanan atau resep khusus nih guys sama Ramadan? And another question that you can choose, everyone, yeah? Make it fun. It is like a sharing, teman-teman, yeah? Just sharing about Ramadan, and good luck. You can just join the breakout to make usual. I will make it just 4. Maybe it should be this one. Okay. So guys, just join the breakout room. Yeah, guys, yeah? And 1, 2, 3, go. Good luck, everyone. See you there. Okay, so guys, welcome back to the main room, everyone. Oh, thank you so much for practicing and having a great conversation on a breakout room. Really, really great, everyone. Okay, so the next, I get you guys to the 1 minute challenge for today, and it should be guys. Anyone wants to do it? No one. So I
Orang
must
lama,
choose.
orang lama tuh mau tadi.
Oh, this is Icha.
Jangan aku.
Iya,
It's
iya, iya.
Icha. Yeah, is that you? I suppose it's Icha. Okay. You
Come on,
can
sis
do
Icha,
it, it's
come
Icha.
on.
You can.
Oh my God.
Come on, sis
Okay.
Icha, you can do it.
Okay.
Aduh,
Sis Ica.
aduh, maafin guys.
Miss
Oke.
Icha, are you ready? Yap,
Iya
ya.
udah, Bismillah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3,
Tadi
go.
Bitan. Ini cerita apa?
Hey, you
Yang
just
tadi.
yeah, you
Oh,
just
oke.
tell me on your
Iya,
breakout room.
ngomongin apa aja tadi?
Gosip
That's
apa
it.
tadi? Gosip.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. This Icha time is yours. 1 minute,
Okay.
yeah.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Oke, langsung nervous gitu. Iya, mohon maaf lahir batin guys. Minal aidin wal faizin. Mohon maaf lahir batin. Oke, tadi. Oke. In the breakout room, I'm with orang lama. Orang baru akan kalah dengan orang lama katanya.
Wow.
Bro Naufal, Sis Riri yang still miss us. Okay, and then Bro Naufal yang he doesn't know about Squeezy and Boba. Okay, he's apa tadi cerita apa tuh ya? Aku nggak nyimak lagi tuh. And then you know what guys? Lama-lamain aja. Aku nervous guys. Okay, bye.
Oh my God. Okay. Let's try sis Icha. Okay,
Sorry,
you can
guys.
get be better, right? Okay, great sis Icha. Thank you so much. Well done. Okay, guys. So well, everyone. I would like to give you the feedback here, guys, today. Especially if you want to say this one, the verse. Wait a moment. Mana nih? Oke, di atas aja deh. Guys, if you want to say mendadak gitu, guys. Mendadak. What is mendadak in English?
Suddenly.
Suddenly boleh. Oke. Boleh teman-teman pakai suddenly, tiba-tiba gitu, guys. Or you can say ini, guys, the common use, ini bahasa zamannya, guys ya. Unexpectedly.
Unexpected.
Yeah.
Okay.
Unexpected.
Expected, okay. Unexpectedly. Okay.
Tak diduga-duga.
Gak diduga-duga boleh, atau mendadak itu juga boleh. Di bahasa kita enaknya gimana, guys ya? Unexpectedly itu gak diduga-duga, ya guys ya. Mendadak boleh nih. So you can say this one, it is picture. Mendadak. Itu guys ya. And then you wanna say anehnya, tadi ada teman-teman bilang anehnya. What is anehnya, guys? Oh my God, bahasa-bahasa kayak gini, guys.
Weird. Weird.
Okay. It is strange. Aneh kan strange. Strangely gitu aja, guys. Okay. This one. Yeah, strangely. Okay. Strange. Strangely is okay.
Kalau weird itu apa sih? Weird.
Weird itu aneh ya.
Aneh.
Juga. This is the same. Okay. Anehnya. Gitu, guys ya. Okay, strangely. Gitu. And if you want to say the authors, guys, so wait a moment. Tadi belum Vicky nyimak nih. Okay. This one, guys, teman-teman. Jadi teman-teman ada namanya in, on, at. This is preposition kata depan ya, guys ya. In, on, at. In, on, at. If you still remember, guys, in basic one dulu, Bro Vicky pernah kasih nih. Cara membedakan in, on, at ya, guys ya. Khususnya untuk place, tempat, dan juga time waktu. Especially, I want to notice this one, teman-teman. On. Kalau teman-teman konteksnya itu adalah sebuah media sosial, ya guys ya, pokoknya media sosial apapun itu, you can say on. On.
On YouTube.
On YouTube. On Instagram. Nah, that's for example. On breakout room. Nah, this one. On. Kayaknya guys ya. And also, guys, this one. Teman-teman, if you want to say, dia tidak bisa menemuimu. Jadi kata tidak, itu kita nggak boleh langsung bilang not gitu, guys ya. Nggak boleh. So depends on the sentence. Tidak itu. Kalau di simple present berarti pakai does not, kalau enggak do not. Ada auxiliary-nya. Ya guys ya. Saya tidak menemuimu. I don't meet you. Kita nggak boleh langsung I not meet you. No, I no meet you. Bukan boleh. Harus ada auxiliary-nya. So you can say I don't, I do not, ya guys ya. Do not, don't. Atau kalau subjeknya she, berarti she does not. Orang-orang biasanya pakainya she doesn't. Digabungin gitu guys. Kalau mau bilang tidak, kita nggak boleh langsung bilang not ya teman-teman. Depends on the grammar. You know guys, kalimat tenses-nya. Oke, gitu guys. Kita juga nggak boleh bilang dia tidak suka makan ini. She doesn't like eating. Itu bukan she is not like. Kalau kita bilang she is not like, itu artinya dia tidak seperti. Like-nya menjadi seperti, bukan like suka. Oke, that's it everyone ya. Oke, jadi intinya kalau kita bilang not, kita nggak boleh langsung bilang not, langsung not ya, kayak di direct translate gitu ya. Jadi translate langsung gitu guys. Saya tidak menemuimu. I not meet you. No, we must know the auxiliary. Guys ya. Tergantung tensesnya juga. Do, does, auxiliary-nya guys ya. Do, does, have, has, is, are, did, will gitu guys ya. Actually kata bantunya. Okay, you got it everyone ya? Okay, I think that's everyone ya. And for feedback today, and it's just really good. Overall, you are so good everyone. Okay, just keep it up for your practicing. Guys, if you want to practice you want to improve your speaking, it seems like I always told you guys, if you have free time, just try to speak English. Rufik, saya nggak punya partner. You can do it by yourself. The first one, if you want to improve your speaking, even your pronunciation, teman-teman boleh diimprove dengan cara shadowing. Have you ever heard about this one guys? Shadowing. Shadowing itu kita menirukan orang native ngomong. Coba ada penggalan sebuah kalimat gitu guys ya, atau dalam film-film gitu ya, ada potongan-potongan video pendek-pendek aja, teman-teman coba shadowing, tirukan apa yang mereka omong gitu guys ya. Kecepatannya, nadanya, pengucapannya disamain gitu guys ya. Itu shadowing. Okay, you can do it guys. Di TikTok banyak tuh guys. In YouTube maybe we have a lot. You can do it guys. And the second, you can do it by yourself by talking in front of mirror, talking by yourself. Teman-teman kasih topik sendiri. Oke, misalnya teman-teman di depan kaca gitu guys ya. Cari topik aja. Misal nih, teman-teman punya pertanyaan, what is your favorite food? Pertanyaan pakai itu. Teman-teman jawab tuh, dijawab sendiri ya guys ya, pertanyaan itu, ngomong depan kamera gitu guys ya. So, answer it. Dikasih timer, waktu guys. Kira-kira dalam 1 menit bisa nggak sih saya menjawab pertanyaan what is your favorite food tadi selama 1 menit? Ya guys ya, bisa nggak sih? Itu menantang kita untuk speaking bisa banyak ya guys ya. Kalau udah bisa 1 menit, coba ditambah 2 menit, 3 menit dan sebagainya. So you can do it by yourself. Or the easiest way that I always told you, describing. Teman-teman ambil apapun benda di sekitar teman-teman, ada pulpen, ya udah ambil pulpen, coba jelasin pulpen ini guys. Pulpen itu bentuknya apa, warnanya apa, harganya berapa, beli di mana, gitu guys ya. Just say that in English. Oke, dikasih timer juga. Teman-teman boleh sambil di video ya, direkam gitu guys, biar kita bisa mengulang pendengaran kita, listening kita, kayak mana ya pengucapan saya yang salah, yang kurang gitu guys ya. Atau nanti ketika teman-teman practice describing ini guys ya. I have a pen. The pen is really good. The color of pen is blue and white. I usually use this pen for writing. I buy this pen in the store. The price is bla bla bla, kayak gitu guys. Dan seterusnya. Kalau misal nanti, aduh, nggak tahu kosakatanya, ditabrak aja nggak apa-apa. Dan dengan teman-teman merekam tadi, pasti bakal tahu, oh ini tadi yang nggak tahu, bisa dicari di kamus. Nah, you can use these tips everyone. If you don't have partner, it's no problem, you can practice it by yourself. Okay, speaking. Berarti speaking seperti itu guys ya. Okay, you don't need to always just practicing your English only in this class. I know we have our own activity outside, but just find the time to practice your English, everyone. Yeah. Okay. You got it, everyone. Aman teman-temannya. Keep it up, guys. Just if you feel up and down, lagi malas banget nih, guys. Don't forget, remember your goal. Why do you want to learn English, guys? For the first time, dari awal dulu, guys. Kenapa ingin belajar bahasa Inggris? Set your goal and remember your goal. Kayak si Sylvie, saya mau belajar bahasa Inggris karena mau nikah sama bule. Si Sylvie, is that right, si Sylvie?
Kok tahu?
Kok tahu itu, guys? Nah, iya guys ya. Kalau kita nggak bersungguh-sungguh ya guys ya, semisal aduh males deh hari ini guys, ya udah nggak praktis, nggak latihan gitu guys ya. Ya udah nanti malah lama guys ya, nggak nikah sama bule gitu guys ya. Dapatnya tetangga nanti.
Belepotan dapatnya.
Belepotan. Alright, this is guys. Just remember your goal ya guys. Tujuan kita itu consistent is very important. One of the best way to have a consistent, just set your goal. You must know your goal. The reason why do you do it? Kenapa teman-teman belajar bahasa Inggris itu kenapa? Gitu guys ya. Oke. Kalau udah bisa, mau dibawa kemana tuh bahasa Inggris? Nah, this one to keep menjaga bahasa Inggris juga penting ya guys ya. Karena bukan bahasa kita. Kadang-kadang kalau kita udah lama nggak praktis ya akan hilang. Kaku sendiri tiba-tiba. You feel that, right? Okay, I feel it at the time guys. Berpikirku seperti itu guys ya. Lama nggak praktis kaku guys. Hilang. Okay. Okay, so guys the one. I think that's gonna be enough for today guys ya. Okay, do you have a question last time guys?
Oh,
Nope.
Bro Vicky,
Yeah, Jasmine.
pertengahan bulan itu apa, Bro?
Kenapa si Jasmine?
Pertengahan bulan.
You
Pertengahan
can,
bulan.
you can just say in the middle of the month is okay. Pertengahan bulan.
In the middle of the month.
Ya pertengahan bulan itu.
Thank you.
Okay. And
Thank
then
you.
I've done. Okay. Okay. Sure. Great. Si Jasmine. Anytime. Okay guys. So guys, and the last I say speaking Poch. Hey guys, the words of the day. Kata-kata hari ini belum guys. Guys, anyone words to give me? Okay. Si Sylvia. Si Sylvia. Okay. Come on, si Sylvia. Okay. Kemarin siapa guys?
Semangat.
Kemarin siapa
Syanti.
ya? Si Shanti.
Kemarin si Syanti.
Kemarin itu
Syanti.
si Shanti guys ya. And
Iya,
today
Sylvia.
is
Si Sylvia.
si Sylvia. Do you want it? Okay, boleh. Okay. Berpikir lupa guys ya kemarin itu. Okay. Come on si Sylvia. 1, 2, 3, go. Kata-kata hari ini si Sylvia.
Okay, the secret recipe of staying young is to live honestly, eat slowly, and lie about your age.
Wow, that's lovely. Oh, I like it. Thank you so much. Okay.
You're
That's a
welcome.
great guys.
Menolak
Itulah
Expensive,
awet
expensive.
muda ya guys ya. Menolak tua.
Yeah,
Okay,
secret
good job.
recipe.
This secret recipe guys, teman-teman. Itulah resepnya awet muda. Okay, that's great everyone. Thank you so much Sylvie. Okay, so by the way guys, tomorrow is our 19 meeting. So I hope you guys you want to join our class tomorrow. And then in the end of our class tomorrow, I will tell you the exam for Friday, the last day, the final
Right.
exam. Yeah, that's right. Thank you so much for coming, guys. And the last I say, speaking partner.
We
We are
are best partners.
What's password, guys?
Keep
smiling.
smiling.
Bye, everyone. See you tomorrow. Have a great day and good night. Have a nice dream, everyone. See ya. Halo, Jasmine. Halo, si Ajeng. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.